Salvia Clevelandii, Cleveland sage. 5 feet by 5 feet tall, full sun, minimal water, purple flowers in the spring and summer. What's really nice about this, besides the height factor, it is extremely beautifully fragrant. And you can cook with the leaf, much like however you would cook with sage. I don't normally cook with sage. You can cut off some of the leaves and bring it indoors and use it as air freshener. What I like to do with the leaves is I dry them. I put them into a sash and I stick them in the dryer instead of the dryer sheets. And my clothes and my linens come out smelling like sage. Absolutely gorgeous fragrance.